Digital economy, what is it and why is it important? The digital economy is defined as the economy that comes from the digital transformation of economy, where traditional economic activities are converted into digital form, driven by the internet, electronic means, and data.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
When traditional economic activities and products forms of services are converted to digital, they are called the digital economy. In the traditional economy, businesses depend on print advertisements and word of mouth to reach their targeted audience, whereas the digital economy uses digital platforms, social media strategies, search engine optimization, SEO, and other digital marketing techniques to promote their businesses and reach their targeted audience. Billions of connections between people, devices, data, and businesses help constitute the digital economy. There being a global and interconnected economy means it wastes no geographical confines. Features of digital economy. Types of the digital economy. The digital economy has created business opportunities and had a positive impact on the global economy. There are mainly three types of operators in the digital economy that have helped operate the business in different ways. There are three main types of digital economy operators. Platform providers, companies that provide online platforms and allow users to interact, are considered digital economy operators. Digital platform providers, an example of the digital economy, are social media companies, online dating sites, and online marketplaces, e.g., Amazon, eBay, etc. These platforms function as brokers for buyers and sellers with each other. Content providers, companies that provide digital content to users, are considered digital economy operators. Examples of content providers include streaming media companies like Netflix, online publishers like the New York Times, and app developers like those found in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These companies create and manage the digital experiences that users consume daily. Infrastructure providers, the companies that can provide the basic infrastructure that powers the digital economy. Examples of infrastructure providers include cloud computing companies, data center operators, and telecommunications companies that provide internet connectivity and other communication services. Without these foundational services, the digital economy would not be able to operate effectively. How does digital economy work? The digital economy functions similarly to the traditional economy in terms of the exchange of goods and services, but it has evolved with key differences driven by digital technologies. The digital economy integrates digital platforms, tools, and infrastructure into every aspect of business operations, creating new business models, products, services, and customer interactions. The traditional way of doing business is dependent on word-of-mouth referrals and advertising through print media. The traditional economy includes the exchange of currency notes for goods and services, whereas, in the digital economy, the business, products, channels, and currency are all digitized. Digital economy components. The key components identified by American statistician and economist Thomas Messenberg are: e-business infrastructure. The e-business infrastructure component of the digital economy refers to electronic systems that are used by businesses to conduct their operations. This contains the hardware, software, networks, and data storage systems that collectively help in defining e-business infrastructure. Together, these elements form the backbone of modern business operations, facilitating everything from communication to transactions and logistics. E-business. E-business is the use of electronic systems to carry out business activities. The process of buying and selling and the marketing, production, and delivery of goods and services on digital platforms comes under e-business. E-business goes beyond transactions. focusing on the digital transformation of business processes. E-commerce. E-commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods and services through electronic systems. Exchanging money, goods, and services between businesses and consumers is part of the e-commerce component. The digital economy is more complex than these above-mentioned components. E-governance, e-banking, and many more are being added with the advancement of technology and emerging business models. What is the importance of the digital economy? The traditional economy's constraints were completely overcome by the digital economy, whether it is in terms of manufacturing, marketing, or trade. Business operations are being transformed by the digital economy, which has also created immense opportunities. Additionally, it has influenced consumers and changed their behavior. Today, it is one of the most important catalysts for innovation, growth, and job creation.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.